Hey folks, cheers to everybody. Today, October 23rd, 2023 is our 1-year anniversary for Where's Walter Travel. It's hard to believe it's only been a year, but wow, what a year it has been. And honestly, it's all because of you. You, our TikTok audience, are the entire reason that we launched Where's Walter Travel. See, I had just finished up a 30-year career. I used to work in film, television. I had my own creative agencies, working in marketing. I really didn't know what I was going to do next for my second career. So I launched this channel primarily to share what I felt was honest information about cruising, because we were just coming out of the pandemic, a lot of bad information out there, and I wanted you guys to be able to make an informed decision whether cruising was for you. And before long, some of y'all started saying, hey, Walt, I wish you were a travel agent so you could actually book our travel. I had kind of been kicking it around thinking, well, that would be kind of a fun second career. And then you guys kind of made it a reality. You gave me that little nudge to officially launch Where's Walter Travel October 23rd, 2022. Now in 1 year, we went back and looked. We booked right at 500 vacations already. Cruises, river cruises, theme parks, Universal, Walt Disney World, Disneyland, European tours in Germany, Italy, Scotland, all of that over there. I think we pretty much sent people all over the globe except Africa. We're still waiting to send somebody to Africa. And then the Arctics, the Antarctic and the Arctics. I think those are like really the 3 places in the world we haven't sent anybody to yet. So folks, it's been an absolutely amazing ride. And the best part for me, honestly, I mean, number one, it's amazing that you guys trust us with your vacations, and we're truly honored to be part of your creating memories and part of your vacation. But the most important thing for me, and the best part for me about this entire year, it's the first time I've honestly worked side by side with my best friend. I mean, Rebecca and I worked together at CNN. It was 2 different departments. We saw each other from time to time. We owned creative agencies together for almost 20 years, but she kind of ran the business side and I ran the creative side at the office. But for the past year, we've literally been working side by side. Rebecca does a lot of the research for you guys, and of course every weekend she has so much great input and so much great information on all of our live streams. So I think that has really been the best part of this past year, is actually getting to work side by side with my wife for the first time in my life, in my career. So folks, from the bottom of our heart, it is just we can't say thank you enough to all of you. One, for nudging us to do this, and then number 2, for being there after we launch. You guys have really been there. We have booked so many of y'all on your vacations. We've chatted with so many of y'all about your vacations, and along the way we've become good friends with a bunch of you as well. And so that has been a great honor of ours, to be a small part of your life and hopefully helping to create some memories. So to everybody out there who has supported us, cheers to all of you for all of your support. It's been 1 year. Let's see where this goes next. Thanks, everybody. Cheers.